What's up YouTube? This is Jurex. This is my first time to post a content on my YouTube channel. So my content is all about opening Pokemon trading card game. Let's try our luck. If you enjoy my video, click the subscribe button, like and share my video, and click the bell if you want to notify. Let's go. Let's start our unboxing today. So let's go. So let's start with the Dragapult Prime 25th anniversary celebration. So let's go. Let's try to open this. Let's go opening this card. Yes. So let's see the content. Let's go. So the box, nothing in the box. So and see, there's a wait. So nice. So let's check this Dragapult. How to open this? Oh my god. Okay, let's. So hard to open. They don't know how to open. So let's go. One TCG card, free TCG card, 25th anniversary, and a Pokemon coin. Let's go. So this is the Pokemon coin. It's gold. Nice. I like the gold Pokemon coin. I don't know how to play how to use it, and it's nice. Let's go. And this is the Dragapult Prime. You get the holo and the silver lining in the edge. It's nice. It's so rare. Nice. Let's go. Let's set aside this first. And let's check this one. So nice, oversized. I like this. I think I'm gonna display it on my background. I think. Let's try to check this manual or a information regarding the Pokemon the Dragapult Prime. Also, this is the TCG card for Dragapult Prime. Get this, so you can get some bonus. I don't think if they got bonus there. So let's see. Let's check this album. It's a holder of cards. So let's check if there's no card holder for this oversized card. I don't think how can I store this card or save this card for some scratches. I think how can you suggest something that I can protect this card? So gorgeous and so pretty nice, and I think I can put it on my background. So cute. Let's go. Let's try to open this freebie of Pokemon card. This is the Vivid Voltage. I don't open this latest TCG card. So on my first open on my TCG card is last 2007. It's my grade school days. So long time ago. And my card that year is a fake Diamond and Pearl TCG card. Let's go and let's see 4 cards behind. Let's go. So this is the code for TCG online game. And Dark Energy. Devote. Nice. Starter Pokemon. Opal. Yes. It's Opal. Metang. Eevee. Let's go. Eevee. See that? Can you see that? Electric. Oh, cute. So cute. There's a electricity around him. Cutie patootie. Clefairy. Metronome. Mini metronome. Cute. And this is Phanpy. Cute. And Dedenne. It's a holo. Reverse holo. Dedenne. Nice. And a Wailord. Oh. Holo. Nice. Wailord. Like that. It's a holographic Wailord. I thought it's big. VMAX maybe. I wish. So let's go. So let's set aside the rare ones and let's try to open this 25th anniversary, the celebration collection. And so, whoa, it's holo. Oh, all card is holo, so it's all rare, I think. That's why it's 4 cards. Okay. Get a 25th anniversary logo here. It's Kyogre with Team Aqua. Whoa, Pokemon Research with exposed hands outside of the card. Nice. Can't read what is writing there. Nice. And the Pokemon TCG card code for Pokemon trading card game online. So let's go. Let's try our luck here. If ever. And the last Pokemon TCG card. It's only 2. Huh? So few freebies on the Dragapult Prime, but Dragapult Prime is a rare card, so I'll take it. Nice. So next, Yveltal. It's a holo card. Dialga. Nice. Brilliant Diamond. 25th anniversary. Nice. Zekrom. Nice. Holo. Ooh, Pokemon Research again. And TCG card. So let's try again. I get some I bought some set from Lazada. It's from Pokemon Pokemon Philippines. It's a Lazmall. Let's go. Let's try to open this. It's from Lazada. I think it's $80. Let's go. So hard to open this. Wait. So hard. very well packed. This one, it's a large tin of Charizard V with Drake. Oh, and a Chilling Rain freebies. And so well packed. And this is the Sylveon, Dark Sylveon. Let's go. So this is my first time to buy a large tin on a trading card game. So let's start opening this Dark Sylveon, because the Charizard is our main event. Because I love Charizard, so so famous Pokemon. Hear the ASMR sound of that tin, the plastic. Okay, it's a Dark Sylveon, so it's a 25th anniversary. Oh, holographic too. Let's try to open this. What's in the box, or what's in the tin of it? Oh, nice, so large tin. And this is the Dark Sylveon. I like the smell. So satisfying. Yes, this is the Dark Sylveon. I'll check her later. So let's count the 25th anniversary free cards on this tin. Actually, not free. The content of the tin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pieces of 25th celebration trading card game. So nice. Hope I find some valuable card. And a Chilling Rain again, and a Shroud Darkness Ablaze. I don't know what. Oh, let's open first the Darkness Ablaze. This is my first time to open this Darkness Ablaze, because I don't know what is this card. What card is this? What is the rare on this booster pack? So let's try. This is the trading card code for online. And let's get some for behind. So for rarity, let's go. So first is energy card, Soul Rock. Nice. Kabu, Gen 8. Wow, Sinsage. So cute, man. Toxel, yeah, let's go. Toxel, so cute. Sinistea. The ghost type. Carablast. Nice. Meltan, let's go. Marini. So, holo rare of Kangaskhan. I like that. Well, her baby's yelling, so rawr. So cute. And Butterfree VMAX. I think it's valuable. It's rare. Maybe, I don't think so, but nice. I never thought I'd get this VMAX. Nice. I'm so hyped now. I like this card. This Ablaze. What do you call that? It's Ablaze thing. You get me some rare cards, nice. So let's set aside these common cards. So this is our good finds now. Let's try to store it in our Dragapult. because it's rare. No, it's VMAX. I like it. It's Butterfree. I wish Ash Butterfree turned into VMAX. Uh, but his Butterfree is go far away. Ash, let him go. Nice. Let's go. Let's chilling rain. Let's go. Pokemon trading card game online code. Redeem it. For I redeem it? No, I'm not. Just kidding. I'm not playing that game. I only play online game, competitive game like FPS or MOBA. Can play that game, so get it. Energy of Psychic. Leiron, drinking Leiron. Nice. It's like a dog. Fire resistant gloves. Welcome Lantern. I like the smell of this card. It smells like a magazine. Nice. Cast form, the snowy form. Nice. Athena. Aeron. While eating rocks. Or steel. Or it's a bolts and nuts, I think. So cute. Ralts. Nice. It's a sweet scent skill. Or magical leaf, I don't think. Venipede. Not. Uy! Sobel. With a meditating Sobel. With a reverse holo. Nice. With a battle style rapid start. Nice. And Malamar. So it's evolved. It evolves from Inkay. So wow. Our Sobel, the meditating Sobel. It's our finds us in that chilling rain. Good finds. Let's go. Let's try to open the freebies of Pokemon PH in Lazada. After I bought that large tin, they gave me a free 1 booster pack. I think it's only 4 cards. 3 additional game cards. Okay, let's go. Let's try. I hope it's rare. Or it's always free in the if you buy that large tin cards. So let's go. Globopus, the fighting type. Goroki. And a reverse holo Weedle. Nice. Cute. Contact. So let's go. Let's try to open this Pokemon card. This is the celebration. It's the center of our content, the celebration opening. Yes, let's go. So let's see. Cernius, Kyogre. It's Rockets admin with Persian. Nice. So cute. So cute, man. That Persian is so clingy with her. Nice. I think it has a value because it's a old school design of Pokemon trading card, I think. So let's. Shit. After getting this old school, you get that Professor Research, the whole body. I don't think what you call that, but the whole design of Professor Oak Research. I think it's one of the most valuable card in 25th anniversary. Nice. I got it. Let's go. Let's store it in our Dragapult. Let's go. And let's review our good finds in our after we end the video. We will review our finds on how you let's store this Team Rocket admin. Nice, so cute. The person so cute. Let's go. Professor Oak, we got it. I love opening this 25th anniversary because I think I am lucky to find some valuable card. Let's go. I hope I'll find some the 3 starter, one of the 3 star, or the better the all of the starter, the Charizard, Venusaur, and Blastoise. Let's go. Oh, I didn't show the code of Pokemon TCG of the last card I open. So let's go. So let's try our luck. Ho-Oh, Cernius, and whoa! What is this? A blank. Who's your owner? Pikachu? Blank's Pikachu. Blank owner of Pikachu. It's a it has a cake. A birthday surprise. No. It's a promo card, I think. Nice. Happy birthday, Pikachu. Birthday surprise attack. Nice. There's Pikachu, so cute. I think it's a valuable card. And we got Zamazenta V. Nice. From Sword and Shield. I like you. He's one of my favorite legendary in Sword and Shield because I think he's the most dope design of legendary in Sword and Shield. TCG card online card game online code. Let's go. Let's store it again so that so that that card can't have a scratches or anything. Okay, the Pikachu and my favorite Zamazenta on Sword and Shield. Nice V. I thought it's VMAX, but nice. Let's go. We got 5 rare finds and a Zamazenta V. Let's go. So let's try to open again. Let's try our luck. Let's go. I'm so excited to open this card. I hope we got some Mew, shiny Mew. I hope that too. Kyogre, Cosmog. Yes, Cosmog. Evolution of what you call that? Cosmog and Mew. I think it's not that rare. I can set her aside first. Let's see if I'll search first before I'll store him in our valuable album. Yes. Let's see. Let's go. Lugia.com. Ooh, Reshiram. I like this Pokemon. One of my favorite in black and white. Reshiram, the foreign dragon. Ooh, nice. Nice find. A Surfing Pikachu V. And this is the trading card. Both. Nice. I got valuable card. Reshiram, nice. This is a full body Pokemon in a card. I think it's valuable and nice. Let's store it again in our valuable album. Let's go. I like this Reshiram and this Pikachu V surfing. Oh, ooh, he gets skill surf. So cute, man. I think it's from Let's Go Pikachu. He learns surf with trainer. I think it's not an HM. Let's go. Next Pokemon card. Let's open. I'm not good at opening cards, so I apologize my opening skills. Yes, Reshiram, I like you. Zekrom, I hope Zekrom. Groudon with the Team Magma and ooh, oh god, what the? Are you kidding me? This is what I hope for. The shiny Mew. What? Oh my god. I can't believe it. Is it true? Yeah, how? Nice. Mew, nice. I think it's one of the most valuable card in Celebration. So, whoo, let's go. Let's open again. Nice, man. I think I got my lucky charm. Yes. From opening a Pokemon card, no? Let's store it in our valuable album. Let's go. Let's go here. Nice and easy. Rest easy. Master Mew shiny. Woohoo! Let's go. Let's open another. Nice. I like that find. I can't believe it. I'm so hyped now. Let's go. Let's open another. So Groudon, Cosmog, Palkia. Yeah. Oh, nice Palkia. Ooh. Is it rare? No. I don't think it's rare. So it's one of the I think you notice the rarity if it's not included in the 25 cards of Pokemon TCG of Celebration. Yes, it's from 021 to 025. Okay, it's not that rare, so let's go. So this is the Pokemon card TCG card game. Let's go. I hope got some valuable in the Charizard. Yes. Let's open this. Yes, this is Charizard. Oh. Sorry guys for the technical difficulty. Something interrupt my stream or my video. So let's go. I forgot to start the video, but I got some good finds. This Venusaur and Dragapult V and Pikachu. All this Venusaur. I'm hoping to get this, but it appears nice. See that? Sparkling Venusaur, all classic design of Venusaur. So let's go. Open this. Let's open this Chilling Reign. It's a Zapdos, fighting Zapdos. Ooh, so hard to open. Shit. I forgot to start the stream. I forgot to record the happenings that when I got that Venusaur. I'm so shocked. That feeling when you got the classic design of Venusaur, man. Let's get that TCG card online. And let's get some 4 cards. Water, Kirlia, Agatha. Yeah, the ghost type. I think the ghost type Pokemon Gym Elite 4. Flannery from I think it's from Emerald or Ruby Sapphire. It's a fire type. Globopus, the fighting octopus. Mari, cute Mari. I love you. This is one of my favorite Pokemon in Johto region. Routes with a sweet scent. Cast form Rainy. Ooh, Snowbird with a single strike. Ooh, Urshifu, the rapid strike Urshifu. Nice. It's a reverse holo and Malamar. So let's set aside the Urshifu because it's a reverse holo, and this Malamar is a rare only. That very rare card. So let's start again with the 25th anniversary. I hope we get some valuable again after Venusaur. I hope so. And let's try Cosmo, Lugia. Ooh, 25th anniversary birthday. The Blank's owner Pikachu. Let's go. Again, let's go. Solgale and the TCG card game. I got so many TCG card game here. Don't forget to claim it because I think there's a free, or I don't know. I don't play that Pokemon TCG card, so hope you got some find there like me. I got some Venusaur, so valuable. Let's go next. Let's go. I hope we get that Charizard. I love to get that Charizard, man. I hope so. So let's go. Start with Zekrom, Cosmo, Cernius, and a flying Pikachu. Whoa! I thought it's Latios, but it's only a airplane and a card. Let's go. Nice. I think it's a valuable card. Let's go. Let's store it first, I think, or later, maybe later if we got some valuable card. Let's go. I hope we get Charizard, Blastoise, and shiny Magikarp. Yeah, I like that. So let's start with Reshiram, Yveltal, and Kyogre. The rare is Zamazenta V again. The 2. Let's go. Claim it. Let's get that Pokemon card. Oh, let's go. Ho-Oh, Lugia, Cosmium, and a flying Pikachu again. Let's go. Go card. Oh, it's the last one. I hope we got some rare there. I wish we got. I wish some valuable. Most valuable, I think. Let's go. Ho-Oh, Lugia, and what? Sorry, I'm so hyped. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. What? This is the last card. Oh my god. Man. Charizard. Disregard this flying Pikachu V. I don't care. It's Charizard, man. The classic one. It's the most valuable. You know? Woo! Nice. Nice find. Let's go. Nice. Oh my god. Sorry for the exaggeration, but this it's I feel so hyped now because of the rare find. Let's go. And I'm hoping for the 3 starter. You give me the 2 starter, but it's good. I'm really thankful because of that rare find, especially this Charizard. I'm hoping for to get. And the Charizard, nice. We got fire spin with 100 damage. Fire speed, no way. Fire spin 100 damage. Oh my god. It's only 13 real Pokemon game. What? Are you kidding me? But nice. I love it. Charizard, nice. Let's do a recap. This is the PCG card. Sorry for the late. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Nice. So we got this Sylveon. Full body holo. Dark Sylveon. Nice. So this is the card TCG code for online. So let's see. And oops. And this Charizard with this trainer lance. Sorry to being wrong with the trainer. I thought it's what do I call that? Forgot. It's Lance. Let's go. The TCG card. And Lance. Woo, let's go. And let's store it in. Sorry, big Dragapult. I can store you in my big Dragapult can store in this album because so large, man. Nice. So let's do a recap. We got this VMAX of Butterfree, a Professor Oak Research with Whole Body, a Rockets Admin Holo 25th anniversary, and a Blanks Trainer Pikachu, I think, with a birthday surprise. Nice. Solo. And the Zamazenta V. Nice. Good find. And Reshiram. Ooh, Reshiram. I love it. And Surfing Pikachu. Yes. And good find. Shiny Mew. Man, Shiny Mew. Let's go. I never thought that I'll get this card, man. So, woo. Let's go. And this Venusaur with a holographic holo Venusaur in a classic design, and this Pikachu holo with a classic design also, but in a whole body form. And once more again and again, the Pikachu without trainer and a Dragapult V. Nice. I think it's not shiny. the Flying Pikachu V and a V Max. Oh, it's a V Max, so it evolves from a Flying Pikachu V. Mm, nice. And a Flying Pikachu V Max again, and Zamandenta V. Ooh, I love to see this card. Charizard, my most viable pick ever in the booster pack. Nice, I love it. And this Urshifu with the reverse holo. Let's see. And this holo Wailord. And the Dene with the reverse holo. A Kangaskhan with a reverse holo. A reverse holo also of Sobel, Meditating Sobel. Yes, a rapid style, battle style. Nice. And a Turbo Path. Don't know what it is, but it's a reverse holo. Nice. And Weedle with Heracross under her. I think Weedle's doing some sit-ups. It's a reverse holo Weedle. And the free and the card from the team, the exclusive card for every team. So this is the Charizard V. It's Dark Sylveon V. And the Dragapult V. I don't know where to store this Dragapult V. I know it's not a Dragapult V, it's Dragapult Prime with oversized Dragapult Prime. Woo! Nice finds, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video, and click the notification bell for to notify you. Thank you, guys. So keep on watching. Thank you. I hope you enjoy my video, and let's go. Charizard, Venusaur, I got you.